Welcome students in our mathematics classes of class 9th, exercise 12.1, that is the Heron's formula. Question number 1, a traffic signal boards indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula if its perimeter is 180 centimeter. And what will be the area of the signal board? In previous video we have to derive the formula of Heron's to find the area of triangle. Now this question is based on the given formula, that is first of all write the solution. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead. स्कूल अहेड का जो बोर्ड लगा होता है उसका शेप क्या है? इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है, दैट इज इन द शेप ऑफ दिस वन इज इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. नाउ ए क्वेश्चन इज अराइज, व्हाट इज एन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल? दैट इज वी नो दैट ए ट्रायंगल having all the three sides are equal is known as equilateral triangle. So the side is given by, in this question is, that is A. Now here that is A and A. So first of all we have to find what is the perimeter, that is sum of the three sides. This A plus AR, that is AB plus BC plus AC, that is perimeter. Now the solution perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. This one perimeter, that is denoted by 2S, and AB is also equal to A, which is also A, and that is also A. So 2S is equal to 3A. S is equal to 3A upon 2. Now the area of triangle, that is area of triangle, which is equal to root में S into S minus, that is AB, again S minus BC. Now that is S minus BC, and again S minus CA, this one. So the area is equal to root में what is S? S is equal to 3A by 2, that is 3A upon 2, again 3A by 2 minus A, again 3A upon 2 minus A, and now again 3A upon 2 minus A. This implies that square root में, that is 3A by 2, and now we take LCM as, that is here 2, 3A minus 2A, again 3A minus 2A upon 2, now 3A minus 2A upon 2, this one, and this can be also written as root over 3A by 2 into this one is A by 2, 3A minus 2A, that is A, into A upon 2, and that is also equal to A by 2. Now 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, that is the square root of 16 is 4, and which can be also written as A, that is A power 4. So A square upon 4 into root 3. It means that is, therefore area of triangle is equal to root 3 upon 4 A square. But now in this case here, if its perimeter is 180 centimeter, so now the perimeter is, that is 2S, since 2S is equal to 180 here given. So S is equal to 2S is equal to, that is A, now that is AB plus BC plus CA, and that is 180 is equal to, right, A plus A plus A, that is 180 is equal to. Now this one is 3A, so A is equal to 3 6 80, that is 60. Now we have to put A is equal to 60 in equation 1. So put A is equal to 60 in equation 1. So the area of triangle is equal to root 3 upon 4 into A square. So root 3 by 4 into 60 into 60. Now cut 4 1 ja 4, that is 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. Now this can be written as 15 6 ja 90, 0 root 3 square unit. This is the area of this triangle, and now our answer will be, that is in this question first of all we have to find A, and then we have to find the, this is the our answer, 900 root 3 square unit. Thank you.